Hi guys, so today we're going to be playing brainrot games, and I'm on holiday, so I will be playing off my phone, not my PC, and I do have a cold, so I'm sorry if my voice sounds really bad, because there's a bunch of brainrot games here. There's like loads, and I'm going to play Steel and 99 Nights. It looks like a combination of 99 Nights and Steal a Brainrot all in one. And it says go buy a Squid Kid, so I guess I'm gonna buy it. Wait for Squid Kid to reach your base. And then there's all of these, like there's the wolf, assassin, and now it says go collect your cash, so I guess I'll do that. Oh, and it gives you cash, and then your little the thing to lock your base, like a little campfire, like, and that's so nice. That's really cute. There's all these, like archer, cultist, furniture trader. He's gold, so I might as well take him, but he doesn't look gold like in Steal a Brainrot, but oh well. I'm sorry guys if I cough a lot. Honestly, I have such bad cold. They have an index just like in Steal a Brainrot, and they also have like the rebirth thing. You need a wolf and a dino kid. So I'm going to try and get wolf and dino kid. Okay, wolf's right there. Oh my days, I don't have enough money. There's also like the ram, which why is he walking like that? I have no idea. He looks really weird, but like, oh my, someone's trying to take my squid kid. Oh, okay. No, I'm going to chase them down. I'm sorry for laughing, but like, that's my squid kid. You ain't taking that. It's mine. So there's like, okay, so I paused the video, look, and there's like all of these. There's like secrets too, and all sorts of like tiers. There's like alien, all sorts. So I cut the video and I'm back to where I got Squid Kid and Wolf to rebirth. Then I don't have enough money, so now I need something that will like generate me enough money. I only have $92 though. There's like a bunch of these. There's like elite alien, archer cultist, kraken kid. There's like all sorts. So this is enough on this game, and now I'm gonna cut to the next game. Let's see what we find. Because I searched up brainrot and I found grow a brainrot, so I'm gonna play this and see what goes on. Guys, I hate having a cold, like right near Christmas. Oh my god, wait, why is my screen going so tiny? Hold up. We have a side problem. I have no idea why it's so tiny. Hold up. Okay, I fixed it. So this is grow a brainrot, and then you like can upgrade your brainrots. Like you get a brainrot, and then you can upgrade it with money, obviously. And then this is my base, and then you go straight forwards, and you hit roll, and then it will give you like 3 different baby brainrots, and then you have to upgrade them. And you get these presents from because it's Christmas, and you keep rolling until you get something like you like, and then you just buy them and then upgrade them until they get to like, and then they just get upgraded. And I upgraded it. The most you can upgrade it is to dead, like thing. Like just now I upgraded mine to dead Berber Patapim. Next one is running brainrots. This one actually looks fun, not gonna lie. Welcome, grab a brainrot to get started. Okay, I'm gonna get Trippy Troppy. I sound so stupid, probably like saying these names, not gonna lie. Okay, so it like runs a lap. That's actually cute. So then it runs a lap, and then Trippy Troppy gets $20 per lap. Okay, and then you can upgrade them. So I'm gonna upgrade mine. How do I do it? Oh, you just tap on it, and then you can upgrade it, and then it just gets faster and faster the more you upgrade it, and it just like runs laps. That's actually cute. Wait, can you steal other brainrots? Let's see. Oh wait, no, it's not one of those games where you can like steal them, like steal a brainrot. Oh, okay, but still. And then you can just buy brainrots, and then they do laps and get you money for every lap. Okay. Not gonna lie, this is actually fun. And then it's just like tung tung sahur, Berber Patbim. I don't have enough. I only have $60. I need some more money, not gonna lie. Like, I'm broke. Okay, I'm gonna upgrade it. Oh, I can't upgrade it anymore. So now it like runs faster. Let's see if there's anything good. Let's say, come on, give me something good, honestly. I just want a good brainrot so I get more money. Diamond tung tung sahur, I'll happily take that. It's diamond, so I mean, why not? Guys, I'm sorry if I'm coughing, like I have the worst cold. Oh, and it like, I'm gonna upgrade my tung tung sahur as well as my thingy trippy choppy. It's nothing good. I can't even buy anything because I'm broke. I'm gonna upgrade my trippy choppy and tung tung sahur. I probably sound like literally so stupid saying all these names, not gonna lie. Yeah, there we go. And that's it for today's video. Bye guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.